Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Knowledge Hub. Dear students, today we are going to have a look at Pakistan's map. First of all, this is the province of Balochistan. It is the largest province of Pakistan as far as area is concerned. Its total area is 3,47,190 square kilometers. The next province is Sindh. Its total area is 1,40,914 square kilometers. Then comes KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Its total area is 1,01,741 square kilometers. Then comes Punjab. Its total area is 2,05,344 square kilometers. The next is GB, Gilgit-Baltistan. Its total area is 38,000 square kilometers. And this is the Azad Jammu Kashmir. Its total area is 13,297 square kilometers. Last but not least is Jammu Kashmir, which is a disputed territory, as you know. Its total area is 42,241 square kilometers. So the total area of Pakistan is 8,81,913 square kilometers. Keep watching Knowledge Hub. Allah Hafiz.